Good afternoon and welcome to Norristown, one of the 3 study areas in the Trail Access, Diversity and Awareness Plan. I'm Bill Hartman, the Planning Commission's Trail and Open Space Manager. Today you're going to join me on a quick tour along the Schuylkill River Trail to show you how the tools and recommendations in the plan can be applied to parts of the trail that run through Norristown. Today you'll see 4 concept designs showing examples of where we could implement corridor-wide improvements, where we could install signage to promote the connectivity between the trail and surrounding neighborhoods, where trailheads and gateways need improvement to attract new users, and finally, how to activate the entire corridor by making space for public art, programming, and events. Going forward, these examples can serve as a guide for community leaders and partners to seek funding for improvements and provide a case study to anyone interested in improving the access, diversity, and awareness in their own community. Our first stop will be the Haas Avenue Trailhead, followed by the proposed Chain Street Trailhead just to the east on the trail. After Chain Street, we'll head over to the Norristown Transportation Center, followed by our final stop at the proposed Lafayette Street Gateway area near the county's Trail Junction Center, where the Schuylkill River Trail and the Chester Valley Trail, 2 of the region's most important arterial trails, will ultimately intersect. Let's go. The improvements recommended for Haas Avenue include enhancing access to the existing trailhead by creating a new entrance space with plantings, public art, gateway, and directional signage. Modest changes such as these would create a welcoming environment that encourages all Norristown residents to explore the Schuylkill River Trail and Riverfront Park, especially those living within close proximity to the trail. The project envisioned for the Chain Street Trailhead would formalize trail access at the south end of Chain Street through the installation of new paved surfaces, a small gathering space, signage, plantings, pavement markings, and improved off-street parking. These physical improvements would create an accessible route to the Schuylkill River Trail and Riverfront Park for an area with limited access to recreational space and multimodal options. It would also increase the perceived safety and security for trail users, a critical consideration for all who enjoy our trail network. The Norristown Transportation Center is a busy hub in the center of Norristown. This project would involve the upgrading of access, visibility, and circulation of the Schuylkill River Trail and sidewalks. Currently, the trail shares a main sidewalk used by commuters and pedestrians in the heart of the transportation center, creating circulation conflicts and potential safety issues. As you can see, the recommended physical improvements enhance safety and provide accessible routes to and from transit by better separating commuters and trail users and providing pavement treatments to more clearly direct and inform pedestrians and bicyclists. The Trail Junction Center is just one component of the larger Lafayette Street Gateway. This county building and its surrounding outdoor spaces will improve trail access, provide trail amenities and signage, and incorporate community public art projects. We envision that this facility will provide a safe and welcoming gathering space, large enough for small community events and other programming. Once the existing Schuylkill River Trail and the section of the Chester Valley Trail currently under construction merge at the Trail Junction Center, this space will serve as a gateway to Norristown and the larger community trail network. As we loop around the north side of the Trail Junction Center, we can see additional detail about potential improvements here, including public gathering spaces, informational signage, public art, and room for vendors such as food trucks to serve both those who live and work in Norristown. Thank you for joining me on today's tour. All of us on the project team would like to thank the county's Board of Commissioners for their consistent support of the Trail Access, Awareness, and Diversity Plan, and their commitment to pursuing opportunities to implement it in communities around the county. Please feel free to contact us with any questions or suggestions about the ideas that we've presented today. To view the plan and for more information about it, please visit www.montgopa.org/Trail Diversity Plan. I'm going to turn it back to Donna and Leah to lead the events panel discussion now. We look forward to seeing you on the trail.